Hey everyone, welcome to this new video. So I want to share with you something I stumbled upon when I was doing like a quick check for JavaScript on Reddit. So if you search for any keyword, right, and in the search results, as you can see here, if you scroll and you find Reddit, you can see Reddit threads as usual, and then you can see also text coming from the comments, the answers on the actual post, right? So if we go there. So I'm looking for good running shoes, whatever. And then you have comments, and a lot of people engaging here. Here's where it gets interesting. If you use a plugin like this one, Toggle JavaScript, which is the one I'm using, if you use this one and turn off JavaScript. So I'm gonna turn off JavaScript right now. You see what happened? Like everything, all the comments on the page disappeared, right? Let's go back. Okay, so I turned on JavaScript and everything is back again. If we go back and search, we'll look at these. Let's take this text and see where is it on the page. So Control find, paste, and it's in the comments. If I turn off JavaScript, once again, it goes away. What does this mean? It means that Google is capable of reading content that needs JavaScript, right? Okay, let's take this URL and go to rich results test here. Okay, and let's paste that URL, same Reddit thread. So this is very good to check if Google can actually see the content on the page. Obviously, you can do this in Google Search Console using the inspect tool and then the live test, but this only works. The Google Search Console inspect would work only if you own the property, but for Reddit, which you don't own the property, this use rich result tests, right? So you click on view tested page and then screenshot, and they can see, like Google can read the comments. So this is very interesting because for so long, we as SEOs were very concerned with JavaScript, right? So actually, here is what I learned based on this observation and based on everything I know. So I've seen websites struggle getting indexed because of JavaScript, right? But we can see Reddit working fine, right? And I'm sure there are other websites that are working fine. So for example, if we go to my blog about this topic here, right, and we turn off JavaScript, uh, we can still see the content, but it says this size requires JavaScript to run correctly. So there must be some elements there, but the content is still visible, right? So here's what I recommend. If you come across, if you're auditing a website, you need to take in context if this website is new, is this website is big, is this website has authority, because these things would actually impact how JavaScript may impact your rankings, right? So if your website is a huge website, pretty much established, something like JavaScript is not going to get into the way of Google reading your content. It's going to invest that extra computational energy to get through your content. But what I've seen is that small websites, new websites, would struggle a lot if they have JavaScript on their use JavaScript on their website to show the content to the users. I've seen that cause them a lot of issues in search. So what does that mean? Does that mean if you're a big website, you do not need to address your JavaScript issues? You still need to, and I still recommend you do, because obviously you want your website to be optimal. You want to remove any obstacles against scrollers. And let's not forget that we're not only optimizing for Google anymore. There are LLMs and like ChatGPT and Claude and so on. And a lot of these are not good in processing JavaScript. They will not invest that computational energy. So yes, you need to address obviously JavaScript, but you need to put it also in perspective, because sometimes the work needed to handle JavaScript on your website is a lot compared to other things. So you need to have this impact effort mindset when you're doing a JavaScript audit and sending recommendations to developers. I hope you found this video useful. Let me know in the comments, and thank you so much. Bye.